At a time when automated, computer-based translation is almost the norm, it is easy to think that learning languages is no longer needed. In fact, I argue that it is quite the opposite. Devoid of any cultural or contextual adaptation, messages can quickly become meaningless. This is why here at the University of Birmingham, in the School of Languages, Cultures, Art History and Music, we place the emphasis on shaping the next generation of Birmingham language graduates, sophisticated linguists and intercultural critical thinkers, equipped to live and work as engaged citizens of the world, ready to adapt to the challenges of our century. Through an illuminating talk, our guest, Kevin Xie, controller of China Hour on Sky TV 192 Showcase channel, reflects on the importance of cultural understanding in language learning, drawing on insightful observations involving translation and intercultural adaptation between the UK and China. So please join us for a fascinating lecture by Kevin, followed by an open discussion conveying views from academics and a postgraduate from the University of Birmingham on Thursday, the 19th of November at 7 p.m.